Hi, I'm Mark, leader of Colchester Borough Council. A few weeks ago I set out our new approach to make Colchester an even better place to live, work and visit. I can now officially launch our Better Colchester campaign. We've set out on a journey to make Colchester an even better place. And together I want to do this with you. The people make Colchester. As we progress with making the most of our heritage, improving health and housing, making our roads, transport and town centre better and safer, we want to keep you informed. Please follow us at Better Colchester online and on Instagram. I urge you to take pride in our town. Why not tell us what you love about Colchester using the hashtag #BetterColchester. Our borough is vibrant and full of fantastic stories of the past, and it has a great future. Let's commit to make a stand to make Colchester an even better place together.